Hello, my name is Rifat Samsuddin, and this is my presentation on Crude, tokenization, and normalization using shell commands. First, let's go through an overview of what is tokenization and normalization. Tokenization is the process of pretty much the process of splitting a string or a text in a list of tokens. If it is in a word, if we split the text in words, it's called word tokenization, and if we split it in sentences, it is called sentence tokenization. This is done to analyze words in a text more easily, because when you have a list of words, it's easier to process them and using statistical tools. And normalization is converting a list of words in a more suitable form for processing, like their base form, like is, are, was, where, are the same word. They have the same base, but they are treated as different words in NLP. We are going to use tr command to mostly perform our tokenization and normalization. Tr command stands for translate, and you use different options like -c, -s to perform different functions. It can perform character conversion, it can squeeze repeating character and delete specific characters as well, and also replace different text. We'll get into it when we are actually using the function in the terminal. Okay, let's go to the terminal now. I have to use a new terminal since OBS is using this one. Okay. Okay, first let's see which directory we are on. We use pwd, which stands for print working directory. So which directory we are working on, it will print it. It says home Rifat. Next we will go to ls, which will print a list of files and folders in that directory. We have desktop, documents. We need to go to desktop, so we will go to use cd, which stands for change directory, and go to desktop. Then use ls again to see what files and folders it has. It has only one folder, so we'll enter that folder, cd136, and we're in this folder. And in this folder there is only one PDF file which we'll be using as our input text, but since it is in a PDF format, this is a chapter of the regular expression, we're going to use the entirety as the input. And since it is PDF, first we need to convert it to a text file for easier processing. So we use a command called pdf to text. First name of the 2.pdf, and output file, I'll name it sh.txt. And as we can see, there is a sh.txt, which is just the text file form of the PDF file. We'll use this for our tokenization. So let's go to tokenization. tr sc a %. Okay, let's go from left to right. We use tr command for translate, which stands for translate. It has two options, s which stands for squeeze repeating, means if there are multiple same characters following each other, it will take it only as one. So if, for example, if we get two, like we get A's and a bunch of space, another, and then a B, it will take this space and only print only one of them. So that's for S, and the C is for option, means non-alphabets. C option is for choosing non-alphabets. So this, I made a mistake. I should have used -n. So this line is to choose A to Z and lowercase a to Z, meaning I will only choose alphabets in the text file. I will ignore the punctuation, numbers, all the other characters, and separate them using next lines. The /n means next line. So, and the less than sh.txt means which text file we are using as our input. So let's run this command, and as we can see, all of the words have been separated by next line, and that's what the command does. So next we will use another command, I will just use what I already use, A to Z is pretty much the same. Now here's another concept of vertical lines. If we use vertical lines, it's like using consecutive commands. Like the first command's output will be used as the input for the next command, so it shortens the command line as well. We use sort, which will sort the list of words, list of tokens in this case, list of tokens, and unique C, which will only choose unique words. Words. So if I run it, this, and we'll get, it counts all the unique words. However, you can see there are, it doesn't recognizes capitalized and lowercase words. There are lowercase w word and capitalized w word. It treats both of them as different tokens. And it sorts them alphabetically, in an alphabetical order. As you can see, the last one starts from Z and goes up to here. The first one should be A. Here, A. Next command is to remove the lowercase and only choose remove the lowercase and only choose capitalized only choose lowercase, remove the capitalized and only choose lowercase words. So we'll get we'll see first, like Unix C, the same pipeline, just adding, we have to add an extra command to replace all the capital letters to lowercase letters. So we use tr A to Z, it's a range from A to Z, and replace that A to Z using lowercase a to Z, and we get, as you can see, it only chooses only has like lowercase letters. If we go to the top, we will only see one A. It's going to see only one A. There is no capital here. Then, since they're sorted in an alphabetical order, we can sort it using a numerical order, however, according to their frequency, about how many times they appeared in the text. So we need to use another command. We need to add another command, which is sort them. -n is for numerical order, and -r is for sort them from highest to lowest, or in a reverse order. Otherwise, it will sort them using from lowest to highest. So let's use this command, and as you can see, the lowest amount of words that we found in the text are in the bottom, and we'll get the highest amounts in the top. Actually, we can use another command to see this. We just remove the R, and this is C, 760 the 38A, and 377 off. Since we used -r in the previous command, we got it in a reverse order, or highest to lowest, and without -r we got lowest to highest. That's it for me. Thanks for listening.